$250.
That's you, Sam?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Stop. Oh.
Damn!
Yeah.
Jesus Christ!
Yeah.
Damn! That's first, second, and third place plus big bass.
$5.95.
God damn!
Hell yeah! My boy right here.
10:01. Damn.
What are you calling? Or was that you? Was that going through? What are you calling?
Appreciate you. Alright guys, so these are your plaques for today. First, second, third place. First place is gonna get the plaques plus the two big mugs, and then you got the pints, 2 pints on second and third. And then these are just I don't know what to do with them. We'll figure it out. Yeah. As a matter of fact, I don't know where they go. Okay. You guys ready? Ready?
Yeah, got you.
All right. So we're gonna start with third place first. Third place is going to be 4.26 pounds. Let's go. That's Miguel and Sam. Let's go. Congratulations.
Yeah.
Wrong one. Oh, wrong one.
Y'all looking like guys. Second place is going to be. Is that, where you at? No, I'm trying to read them. Yeah, I'm trying to not chop up the names.
Oh, it's Laura Drake and Melissa Howell.
At 5.48 pounds. Let's go. There you go. Grab your. You guys, it's this one right here and 2 pints. You guys don't go anywhere either. We're gonna take the pictures, guys. And then we're gonna go. First place goes to Sir Miguel, 10.1 pounds. Let's go. Congratulations, boys. Thank you. You guys don't go nowhere. Don't drop your pint.
There we
Oh,
go.
where's that money bag at?
Is it right there?
Oh, no, there's another one.
Okay.
That's the decoy. See anybody running off with a decoy? Hey!
No, stop.
Yeah. Make sure ain't no money in there. Alright. And the winner of Big Bass goes to. This is it right here. Circle one.
That should say guys got first.
Yeah. Sir Miguel at 5.95 pounds. Let's go! $300, boys.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Congratulations, everybody. Again, this is our first pop-up, and I just want to say thank you to everybody who came out today. It was a really good turnout, and we had a good tournament. And then this is, again, not everybody brought bags, but you helped each other out, and that's what it's all about. There was two boys here. I don't know where they went, but shout out to them. They're on the varsity bass fishing team for LD Bell, and today was their first tournament ever, but their first actual tournament with their high school is going to be in September. So I just wanted to give them a shout out as well. And thank you guys. Also shout out to Michael. Where you at? This dude right here. It's going for him. Again, this is our first one, and I like doing the pop-ups because the pop-ups you don't have to be signed up early, before, no pre-registration. You just show up and fish, and that's what I'm gonna start doing. There's plenty of series out there. If you guys want to join a series or a circuit, there's plenty out there. But we're gonna be doing pop-ups not only here, but we're gonna be doing all over Texas, just like we do our bank fishing and kayak fishing. So again, let's go Texas Bass Holes, baby.
Yeah.
Next tournament's gonna be on Grapevine Lake, and from now on, all these tournaments, well,